All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something pretty cool. I got the Monarch Artisan Diamond right over here with me, and I'm just gonna check it out and see what this thing does. I mean, this is a slider, was sent in by the maker. It's a 3D printed slider. It's an inexpensive one, because of course it's 3D printed, so the materials are plastic and magnets, so affordable one, and it's made in France, and it's the diamond, so it's just a slider, right? Basically slides. It's really smooth, I have to say. It's super lightweight, actually. Let me check the weight right there, and because this is a European one, we're gonna do that in grams. Why not, right? So that is gonna be, look at this, 19.8 grams, which translates into 0.7 ounces. That thing is gonna disappear basically in your pocket. So it's a pretty cool one. The magnets are not super strong, but there's gonna be a version with stronger magnets available. Pretty quiet. If you just push, it is quiet. You can do a little bit more noise, but not that much. Because the magnets are not that strong, you can't really play like taking advantage of the magnets, for example, having it roll like this side, because they're kind of weak, so it might fall off. So that's one thing. Second thing that I noticed, just like the fit and finish, not particularly well done. I mean, something happened here during the manufacturing process, during the production, so maybe when it was snapped off by the table, I don't know, but it's just something, it might be buffed out, but just it has a little bit of a feel, more of a prototype than the actual finished product, but still I can see this improving. You know, it's nice. There's a pretty interesting design going on the surface, which adds a little bit of a friction, so it doesn't really slip and you can just slide it. But the taping here, probably it's not perfect, but still, as a first product issued, I see it doing fine. It can be improved, of course, but I do like the enthusiasm of young guys, younger generations getting into this kind of production. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.